to Welcome to the Little's Way. I'm DJ.
And I'm Malaya.
And today,
we're going to be baking cookies.
Alright, so we got a couple different kind of cookies that we're making today. Well, the Littles are making today. The first kind is unicorn sugar cookies.
That's the one I want to
Yummy.
get.
That came in a little jar.
That's the one I got.
That we got there. And then DJ, he really loves peanut butter, so he wants to make peanut butter cookies. So, we've got one mixer, so we have to take turns. And they played rock, paper, scissors to see who was going to go first. And who won?
Like I always do.
Malaya did. Okay, so, let's get the directions. The directions are on your, on that.
Oh, geez.
Here, let's take the instructions off of there. You can hand them to Daddy. He'll help.
I got it. What the? Some kind of sticky thing on here.
No, I don't sticky thing on there.
No.
Oh, it is? In the back of it. There you go.
Okay, so it says you will need butter, egg, and vanilla.
Alright, we've got all those things, right?
Yeah.
Do you know how to
Butter.
lift up the mixer?
Butter.
Okay. I'm
Vanilla.
going to mix it up. Lift it up so she can...
So for the baking directions, it says preheat oven to 375.
Well, we preheat everything in this house to 350. So the oven is already set on 350.
Next it says combine 1 stick, 8
Tablespoons. Teaspoons. Oh, it's a tablespoon. Sorry.
Room temperature butter, 1 egg, 2 teaspoon vanilla, and entire contents of jar into a large bowl. Mix well.
Okay. So you can open your butter and put it in the mixer.
We gotta get the measuring cups too for
I think you just need the measuring spoons.
get a measuring spoon.
Look if I touch this.
Yeah.
Ew.
Just put it over top of the thing when you open it.
I'm gonna put it in there.
Yeah. Okay. That's fine. Then also you need, what did it say?
It says
One
1
half tablespoon.
egg.
1/2 teaspoon to a half tablespoon.
I need 1 egg.
Teaspoon to it. That's tablespoon. Man.
That's what it is. What? How much did it say?
It's 2 teaspoons.
2 teaspoons. Okay. So we improvise. We don't know where the spoon is for the teaspoon, so we're just going to use 4 half.
It says
There's 1/2 tablespoon.
1/2 tablespoon. So we'll use. We need how many of those?
It is 1 egg. 2 teaspoons is half a.
I need
Okay.
1 egg.
No, actually, they're 2 teaspoons.
She needs 2 of those. Right?
And 2 teaspoons.
I don't know. We need to get the gallon man out.
2 teaspoons.
I don't know. She
a
needs
tablespoon.
She needs a teaspoon. 2 teaspoons is a tablespoon?
Yes.
I don't think so. Is it? Okay, Malaya, go ahead. Crack your egg.
How many teaspoons are in a tablespoon?
1 U.S. tablespoon equals 3 U.S. teaspoons.
I knew it. So
we need.
let's
3
just use
quarters.
one of those.
Teaspoons equals.
So
2 U.S. teaspoons equals 0.0026 U.S. liquid gallon.
What?
we're just going to use this. Just use one of these. Okay, what did it say about the vanilla?
2 teaspoons.
2
Yeah, 2
teaspoons?
teaspoons.
Okay. It's just gonna taste like a lot of vanilla.
Let's set that up and just use that. Like, be careful when you pour it.
Put that over top of your shit.
There you go. Good job, DJ.
Ew, it's stinky.
Alright.
Okay, that's enough.
Okay. You put the top back on
Ew. It tastes like rotten. I mean, what?
Yeah.
It smells like
it. I
rotten.
think you
egg.
have opening the. Enjoy the egg in it. Yeah.
Daddy didn't want to get in this video, but I think he wants to kind of get in on making these cookies.
No, I just want to see if you need help opening the jar.
Okay.
No,
Do you need help, honey?
Opening the jar.
No. Why did they put that sticky stuff on?
Just keep all the stuff on there from falling off.
This is something that she got from Walmart. I don't know if I said that already, but it looked kind of cool, so let Daddy help you get that part off.
And this is a mason jar. I'm keeping this jar.
Oh yeah.
That ain't got no nail.
I do. Oh wait, is there a thing for it? Oh, I can do it.
Yeah.
You don't want to do that because you're gonna break it.
It's just plastic.
Ew.
It says pour entire contents of that jar in there, right? Read
The
your.
whole thing.
Yep.
Yeah.
Let's put the whole thing in there.
Said if it gets stuck, you might need to get a little knife or something.
Get your butter knife.
So I just got everything you need.
Yeah.
Stuff that's in it. They even got sparkles.
Sprinkles.
Yeah.
Take this off so you can have more room to pour the stuff in there.
I need someone to hold this one.
You want to get it out for you, but
Yeah, let Daddy help you do that part, honey.
Wow.
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 That looks pretty. That's pretty. Oh, I dip my hands in it. I can't do that though.
I want to also.
You said what, honey?
I said I also want to dip my hands in there so bad. How do I put this in? Rude. Oh.
alright. Hey, you know how to close it? Oh, put the thing up.
Is that all the liquid that they need in there?
That's all it said. Oh. You put the oil in there?
No.
What's the? Read the directions.
Doesn't say anything.
No, don't say nothing. Don't put no oil.
Okay. You know how to put that down, Sean?
Hold this.
No, and lift it up. But
Lift it up.
close it. I got it. I think we might want to get that cover so we don't shoot out. Alright, there you go. You can start it up.
Started on 1.
Two.
We could probably turn up a little bit more too. Huh?
I think should use one of the other things that they don't know inside of it.
might have to get a little paddle and. This mixer is very new, so we've only used it like twice. This cookie dough is
Oh,
kind
I
of
just
dry.
want to eat that. It is. Ooh, can I mix it?
I need some more liquid to it.
Let's follow the directions first. I think we can turn it up a little higher. Now, what's the directions say? I mean, it looks like it's mixing up pretty good. Yeah, that's great.
If dough is not sticking together, add 1 or 2 tablespoons of water until it reaches desired consistency.
Okay.
So let's get some.
Gotta add a little bit of water.
Water.
Got him.
Remember that? And dip that in there and get 1 tablespoon and dip it in there.
The other paddle.
Let me stop it.
Alright, we're gonna switch paddles on this because this one doesn't seem to really be doing the job that we need about bringing together the ingredients. Oh, my knee hurts.
Officially turned into a baker now. I love baking. Especially with my mom.
Oh, that was sweet.
You're welcome.
That was sweet. I think Daddy might actually enjoy baking more than I do.
No, you like baking more.
Oh, I do?
Yeah.
I like baking more than anything.
Look what it
Oh,
says.
yeah.
It says magically yummy. I said magically.
I mean, like, I guess it's only because it's something sweet.
What?
If it's something sweet, I like it.
Well, we know that.
Oh, I thought you said
He
if there's
has the
something sweet, you'll
biggest
lick
sweet
it.
tooth in the house.
Even though he doesn't literally have one.
There's a little thing of more juice, water.
It was small ones.
I'm just gonna pour it in there, babe. Slowly.
Not too much. That's good. That's good.
Just one of that.
Just a little bit.
Is that good?
BTS fangirl right here.
That's the only thing I watch on YouTube is just BTS or any K-pop. Yeah. Yeah. My favorite is Jungkook.
You gonna good enough for you, bud? That didn't look good?
I think so.
What is P? Is that the highest one?
What is pink?
That's just
Oh.
That is the highest one. That looks fun.
Put that right there.
Whoa!
oh, careful.
Get the paddle, get that off of there.
Mixed up perfectly.
It's a favorite dance, ain't it, son?
What?
Oh, get it.
To the left. To the right. Now keep it. Now keep. No.
Okay, so what are you doing now, honey? You got to tell us what you're doing.
Oh, I'm singing.
No, I mean with the cookies.
Oh,
Keep.
I'm getting the stuff off of the. What is this called?
Paddle.
Oh, paddle. That's trying to get everything off to make it look nice and clean.
I think that's good.
Yeah, that's good.
You want to get one of those cookie sheets over here, Sean? She can sit right here and do that.
Yeah, take the rest of it. So we're ready when DJ.
All right, now it's time for DJ's cookies. He's going to make the peanut butter cookies. Malaya is over there putting her cookies on the cookie sheet so they can go in the oven.
I should have put on glue.
Well, no, making cookies can be a messy job. Malaya, roll that into a ball, honey.
It's scissors, son.
Hard to
Yes.
roll it in a ball.
See, it just keeps sticking to my hands.
Okay, you're trying to do that like putty or like clay or whatever it is. Just put it on there. Just put it on there. It doesn't have to be perfect. That's fine.
That smells good.
Smell.
And I don't even like peanut butter.
Let me smell.
Mmm.
Did you read the instructions, DJ? Before you just poured it
Not
in?
yet. Alright, so you already heat up the oven.
Okay, hold the bag up so you don't.
Stir cookie mix, oil, water, and egg in medium bowl until soft dough forms.
Okay.
How many tablespoons of oil? Say
At
three.
the top.
3.
3 tablespoons.
Put your glass of some.
This is so messy.
That's okay. Baking is messy.
Good.
Just open it.
Don't pour too fast.
You need 3 of those.
All right.
That was awkward how you poured that.
Ooh, this is a ton of water. It's making it so sticky.
Yeah, put them on top.
Now I need 1 tablespoon of water. That tablespoon of water will make it like.
Just pour it in. Oh, yeah, don't put it in.
And now I need one egg. So I'm not good with cracking eggs, so
Come on.
It's not open. Hold up. There you go.
That's good. All right.
Good job.
Make sure there ain't no shells in there.
That's the first time.
Put that on the plate.
That's the first time he's never busted an egg.
What?
That's the first time he's never busted an
You
egg.
gonna close it?
Yes, I
Because
did.
every time he tries to crack an egg, there's always shells or something weird in the bowl with the
Can I
egg.
get that thing? Yeah. So, the camera the other way. Oh, wait. The camera can see it.
Okay, and I think you don't want to beat it too much because it will make the cookies not so soft. You know what I mean? Okay. Yum, that smells really good. Okay. Alright, so this is DJ's final product. It actually just looks like peanut butter.
Shit just looks up. These are so hard to turn into a bowl.
Well, it's okay if they're like that. That's fine because they're going to be flat when we cook them. So, okay.
Just trying to make them match.
Okay.
Can I try one of these?
And we're going to do. Okay, the
Oh my
dog
God,
is
this
in there
smells so good.
tripping. See, you can even see on the package.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
It's not mandatory you do that. That's just what they've always done with peanut butter cookies. I'm going to do these and I'm going to let you do the other ones. Because you are the baker.
I don't like peanut butter.
Yeah, because you're fried.
Yeah, but honey, you have to try these.
Have to.
You might not have liked peanut butter before, but you probably never had peanut butter cookies made from yourself.
Let's see what mine smells like.
Made by your son.
My cookies smell.
Alright, guys, so now our cookies are done, and now it's time to taste them.
Yay!
Alright, I will say we left DJ's in a little bit longer than we should have probably. They're still soft, but the edges are kind of hard. And here's Malaya's cookies.
Mine are really soft.
Alright guys, taste it. Why are you eating over the plate like that?
Mine is good.
My peanut butter cookies are good.
Mine are delicious.
Peanut butter cookies are good.
Peanut butter cookies, mine.
What do you think about the peanut butter cookies, Leigh?
I didn't eat one yet.
Oh.
Hey, the unicorn cookie slap.
Yes, it is.
You say unicorn crunchies.
I like the peanut butter ones, but I like mine better.
You say unicorn crunchy slap.
Try mine.
Well, I'm eating at the same time I said.
I gotta try that again because I actually ate that and I still had a piece of peanut butter cookie in my mouth. That was so fat.
Sprinkle, what do you think about the peanut butter cookie? Or have you had some yet?
Yeah, she's had some. Here's Sprinkles.
It's a small little baby.
Sprinkles loves peanut butter. Dogs love peanut butter. Okay, so on the cookies, what would you rate your cookie, DJ?
8.5.
8.5. What would you rate Malaya's cookie?
9.
9.
Mine is a 10. DJ's 8.5.
8.5. Would you two make these cookies again?
Yes.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
What would you rate the cookies?
Well, I'll give the peanut butter cookies an 8. So that's kind of like peanut butter, but the texture of them are just on point. And the unicorn cookies, give them a 9.
9.
Yeah, 'cause I like all the flavors in them.
I'm going to give them both a 10. They're very good. Next time we can cook the peanut butter cookies a little less, but otherwise, really good. So all in all, guys, do you think this was a win? Oh, okay. We got W's. Oh,
You made a box.
That's a W.
okay. We got a win there. It's definitely a win for me. So we think you guys should try to. I said they were both a 10. I think you guys should try these cookies. The way we presented them, obviously, is not the best. However, they taste really good. Sometimes it's not about what it looks like; it's what it tastes like. So, you guys want to say bye to the vlog?
Peace. Like, subscribe, and comment.
Thanks for watching.